Hi there, I'm Sophie from the Nappy Lady, and today I'm going to be showing you this newborn Babbit and Boo pocket nappy. By the end of this video you will know exactly how this nappy works and who it works best for. Being a pocket nappy, you don't need to add anything extra to this nappy. The outer layer is your waterproof wrap, and inside you will stuff your absorbent boosters that it comes with. Ideally this is just a daytime nappy, however, for a younger baby who is frequently being changed throughout the night, you could get away with using this in those early stages. It's designed to fit from 5 to 18 pounds. However, from experience, we have found that it actually fits best from about 10 to 20 pounds. So it actually starts to fit much later than most newborn sized nappies. As you can see, the Babbit and Boo newborn pocket nappy is a Velcro fastening nappy. This really enables you to get a nice, neat fit on your newborn regardless of their shape or size, because for a child at the upper end of the weight range, you can stretch out the tabs like this, open up the nappy to its longest setting, and it really will fit up to around 18 pounds. For a child at the lower end of the weight range, you would simply shorten the length of the nappy and then cross over your Velcro tabs like this. Having such a large weight range of 5 to 18 pounds is not the smallest newborn nappy. However, because you get such a large weight range, you really do get excellent value for money, and more so than other newborn nappies with a smaller weight range. It's got really good quality stretchy elastics, meaning that it does allow you to get a nice neat fit. The containment is good on this nappy. However, overnight, particularly if your child's sleeping longer stretches, I would recommend using a two-part system. The outer wrap is your waterproof layer. So there's no need to add an additional wrap or outer layer with this nappy. The Babbit and Boo pocket nappy is fully fleece lined. So this is your stay dry layer, which will wick moisture away from your baby's skin, leaving them feel drier. There is no need to add an additional liner to this nappy. However, if you do wish to add a separate liner, you can pop one in like this. However, I would only use a disposable liner with this nappy. I wouldn't use a fleece liner with this nappy, because what you'll do is add 2 layers of fleece, meaning that the urine will have to penetrate 2 layers before being absorbed by the nappy. The double gusset feature of a Babbit and Boo pocket nappy increases containment, which is quite handy for newborns who can have quite explosive poos. This has got good containment. It's not ideal overnight, particularly if your child's sleeping longer stretches. I would recommend using a two-part system. Being a pocket nappy, it has this pocket feature here, which is where you'll stuff the inserts. The nappy itself comes with 2 absorbent bamboo and microfiber blended boosters, which I'll show you here. For a child at the lower end of the weight range, from around 5 pounds, I would only use 1 of these boosters, and what this does is it means the nappy is much slimmer. However, for a child at the upper end of the weight range, you'll probably need to use both boosters to increase the absorbency. And all you do is simply stuff them into the pocket, like so, and then you're ready to go. If you were using both of these boosters with a smaller baby, you might find that it's quite bulky. However, it's unlikely that you'll need both boosters for a child at the lower end of the weight range. The wrap itself, that's your waterproof layer, that cannot go in the tumble dryer. However, the absorbent boosters themselves, they can go in the tumble dryer on low, and the outer wrap is fairly quick drying anyway. You'll probably find that the 2 boosters themselves are sufficient for a child in this weight range. However, if you wish to, you can stuff other inserts into the pocket nappy. The newborn Babbit and Boo pocket nappy is slightly larger than your average newborn nappy. It's very quick and easy to put on, and it has excellent adjustability, having the 2 separate boosters, so you can use one for a younger child and 2 if you need that higher level of absorbency. It's not ideal for small or tiny babies at the lower end of the weight range. It's definitely one that you'll start using later on with your newborn baby. It's really economically priced, it's nice and easy to use, and actually really easy to fit. So if you're looking for a newborn nappy that doesn't require any folding, that's nice and easy to use, then the Babbit and Boo Pocket is a really good option.